Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to record video in Google Slides in 2026. Adding video to your slides is a fantastic way to make presentations more engaging, explain concepts clearly, or even create self-running slides for online sharing. I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can record and insert video easily. First, open your Google Slides presentation at slides.google.com. Decide where you want the video to appear. Google Slides itself doesn't record video directly, so you'll need a tool like Screencastify, Loom, or your computer's webcam software to capture your video. Once recorded, save it as an MP4 file or upload it directly to Google Drive. To insert the video, click on Insert, then select Video. Choose either Google Drive to upload your recorded file or by URL if it's hosted online, like on YouTube. Once your video is on the slide, you can resize it by dragging the corners, move it around, or position it exactly where you want. Next, click on the video and open the Format Options panel. You can choose Autoplay when presenting if you want the video to start automatically, or leave it to play on click for more control. You can also trim the video inside Google Slides if you only want a specific section to play. This is handy for keeping your presentation focused and concise. If you want the video to start at a certain time or play across multiple slides, make sure to adjust the playback settings in the Format Options. Preview your slides in present mode to check that the video plays correctly and looks good with your other content. This ensures smooth transitions and avoids surprises during your actual presentation. Finally, don't forget to test the video's audio and visuals. Check the volume levels and make sure everything is synchronized with your slides. Once everything is set, your Google Slides presentation will be much more dynamic and professional with video adding another layer of engagement. So yeah, that's the complete guide to recording and adding video in Google Slides in 2026. With these steps, you can create presentations that are visually engaging, informative, and easy to follow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting with video.